Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the essentials ready. Now start. First, enable the laptop Wi-Fi adapter using the hardware switch or function key so the system can scan. Next, bring the router password and SSID into view. It's usually on the unit or your ISP account. Once done, move within a closer range, about 10 to 30 feet, and avoid thick walls. Make sure the router shows power and an upstream connection light. Otherwise, the laptop can't find a usable network. Open your network settings and scan for the SSID you noted. Select it and enter the password carefully to avoid typos. Once connected, choose private if this is your home or office so file sharing works, or select public to lock down services on cafes. Make sure DHCP assigns an IP automatically. If the network needs a static IP, enter the address, gateway, and DNS provided by the admin. After configuration, test a web page to confirm internet access is live. Finish by securing the connection, log into the router admin page, and enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, then change the default admin password to something strong. Make sure your laptop wireless drivers are up to date so performance and compatibility stay reliable. If you still lack internet, reboot the router first, and then verify the ISP status. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS errors persist, switch to a public.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.